Assalamu alaikum. Hello students. Welcome to our channel BS2 Maths. This is the sixth video in our maths calculation trick series. In the previous video, we have learned how to find square of a number which ends with 5. In this video, I will tell you how to find square of any two-digit number in less than 5 seconds. Let's take an example. Square of 53. 53 square. First of all, you have to mark 3 blanks here. 1, 2, 3. We do it in 3 steps. For the first blank, just square the first digit. Here we have 5. So 5 square is 25. 5 5s are 25. Leave the second blank. Go to the third blank. Here in the third blank, just square the unit digit. Here we have 3. So 3 square is 9. For the middle blank, we have to multiply all these 3 numbers. We have 5, 3, 2. So 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. But here we have to write only one digit. So we write 0 here, 3 carry here. Sum of this whole thing is the answer. So 9 0 8 2. 2809 is the answer. Let's go to the second example. 38 square. Square of 38. Mark 3 blanks here. For the first blank, square the first digit. 3 square is 9. Leave the second blank, go to the third blank. In the third blank, square of the unit digit. Here we have 8. So 8 square is 64. So we have to write only one digit here. So we'll carry the 6 here. Now for the middle blank, we have to multiply all these 3 digits. 3 into 8 into 2. 3 8s are 24. 24 into 2, 48. We have 2 digits, but we have to write only one digit. So we'll write 8 here. 4 carry here. Sum of this whole thing is the answer. 4, 6 plus 8, 14. 1 again carry here. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. So answer is 1444. Now we'll go to the third example with 67 square. Square of 67. Mark 3 blanks here. For the first blank, square of this first digit. So 6 square is 36. Leave the second blank, go to the third blank. The third blank, square of the unit digit. So 7 square is 49. We'll write 9 here, 4 carry here. For the middle blank, we have to multiply all these 3 digits. 6 into 7 into 2. 6 7s are 42. 42 2s are 84. So we'll write 4 here, 8 carry here. So sum of this whole thing is the answer. So 9, 8, 14, 1 carry here. So 4. So the answer for the square of 67 is 4489. Let's take few more examples with bigger numbers. 81 square. Square of 81. Mark 3 blanks. For the first blank, square of the first digit. So 8 square is 64. Leave the second blank, go to the third blank. For the third blank, square of the unit digit. So 1 square is 1. Now for the middle blank, you have to multiply all these 3 digits. So 8 into 1 into 2. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So we'll write 6 here, 1 carry here. Sum of this whole thing is the answer. So 1, 6, 5, 6. So answer is 6561. Next we'll go with the bigger number with 96 square. Square of 96. So mark 3 blanks. For the first blank, square of the first digit. So 9 square is 81. Leave the second blank, go to the third blank. Third blank, square of unit digit. Square of unit digit. Here we have 6. So 6 square is 36. We'll write 6 here. 3 carry here. Then for the middle blank we have to multiply all these 3 digits. So 9 into 6 into 2. 9 6 are 54. 54 into 2, 108. So we have 3 digits, but we have to write only 1 digit. So we'll write 8 here, 10 carry here. Sum of this whole thing is the answer. So 6, 11. We'll write 1, 1 carry here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. So the answer is 9216. If you practice well, you can easily find out square of any 2-digit number in less than 5 seconds. Students, you have seen how easily we found the square of 53, 38, 67, 81 and 96. Now you try this following: square of 27, square of 63, square of 88, square of 99. Share this trick with your friends. Thanks for watching.